Today we have a TruTech CNC Centerless grinder. The machine is equipped with a TT8500 Centerless grinding unit. The machine was new in 2007. The machine has a TT8500 control. Start the spindle. Right now it's running at 1500. It's very quiet. It's a 3 horsepower spindle. It's variable through a HMI on the control here. That's 3000 RPM. The spindle is extremely quiet. We'll jog the spindle up and down. Axis is very smooth. Jog the saddle in and out. Again, very smooth, very quiet. I have the axis left and right. And then we'll start the centerless grinding roller. Again, this is variable through a potentiometer on the controller. Change direction. The centerless grinding unit is also extremely smooth and very quiet. The machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.